Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a quick review of BrizaAcStore.com, a website selling a portable air cooler, and asking the big question, is it legit or is it a scam? At first glance, the product looks amazing. They promise instant relief from heat and humidity, super quiet operation, energy efficiency, and even claim it cools the air naturally and healthily. Sounds like a summer dream, right? But when you dig a little deeper, some things don't add up. First off, the website was only registered in May 2025. That's extremely new, which doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does mean there's no proven track record. They also claim the cooler was featured on CNN and MSN, but there are no articles or links to back that up. Just name dropping. That's a classic red flag. Then there's the technology they're promoting, something called CryoFlux Tech. They say it's eco-friendly and silent, but there's zero explanation of how it works. No specs, no certifications, and no third-party testing. Just buzzwords without any substance. The website also has glowing reviews with happy customer photos. Sounds convincing, right? But a quick reverse image search reveals those images are used on other sites too, which suggests the reviews could be fake. So when you put it all together, brand new domain, questionable claims, vague tech, and suspicious reviews, it's hard to feel confident about ordering from this site. If you want a reliable way to stay cool this summer, it's much safer to stick with brands that are well established and transparent. In short, BrizaAcStore.com raises too many red flags, and I'd advise caution before buying. Stay safe and cool out there.